Hello, today I am going to do my global marketing video presentation on Seabrew. My name is Chad Oakes and the country I'm going to be working on is Europe. So let's get started. Customers and competitors. Seabrew carries a very well-known brand loyalty with all their customers. Some of their biggest competitors in Europe are Audi, Volkswagen, Skoda, Bentley, Porsche, Ducati, Lamborghini, and Bugatti, and Skanda. Seabrew is known for their safety and longevity, giving them customers loyalty for over 50 years. The culture development for Seabrew, having multiple models with all-wheel drive, this makes Seabrew's diverse with every individual customer that they have. Quoted by Winton, to European, the styling of the range of the SUVs and sedans appears modest, worthy, and mainly understated. The technology development with Seabrew is always providing new technology to guarantee the best driving experience for their loyal customers. All the switches and handles ooze premium class. Seabrew's XV Crosstrek in Europe shows how the company uses their innovation to make their models premium class for their users. Media and technology outlets. Seabrew Europe has announced that the company will be preparing to launch an all-full electric vehicle, being a mid-size SUV, which is about the same size as a Force module, which would be great for European mountains, nature, and adventure over in that country. Seabrew has dedicated the month of June to those battling cancer, a strong social media message. Seabrew is engaging in safety and automated driving technology that will bring better experience for the customer. The moving parts with channel partners and change in customer behavior. For almost a decade, Seabrew has capitalized on the incredible powers of constantly tasteful music to help drive their business. Seabrew has many partners in different categories with the message love. Some examples are Seabrew Loves Pets, Seabrew Loves the Earth, and Seabrew Loves Learning. Down below you actually see some of the partners that Seabrew has with and their different categories, which is really neat. Change in customer behavior. Seabrew continues to raise the car standards to ensure that the customer can easily control the product. The company understands more people shop online, so Seabrew focuses more on social media platforms and social marketing strategies to keep up with consumer needs. For the summary, Seabrew is still fighting to gain more customers with the Europe market. However, their high brand loyalty is only a matter of time before new customers come along. Though Europe has a tough competition with their models, bringing in an all-electric model SUV will be a force to reckon with. The ability to keep their car models diverse will always keep Seabrew at the top. With Seabrew still winning awards for being the safest, it's only a matter of time before they gain more popularity in Europe like they did in the United States. And my next is just my references. I hope you enjoyed it.